Hello guys, thank you for tuning in, and I got an unboxing video for you. We are in my little studio type area here. You don't see it quite often behind cameras, but I did pick something up and I'm about to use it. So I'm going to go ahead and just show you what it is, and I'm going to unbox it. Oops, dropped it. I dropped scissors. I didn't drop the item, just so you know. I dropped these. But I picked this up. I got a pretty good deal on it. I needed one that'd go up to 175 foot-pounds. And the one I had is MIA. Don't know, probably loaned it out. So I had to get this, done today. So I picked this up, and I figured I'd do an unboxing video of it. It's a torque wrench, as you can see. It goes to 250 foot-pounds, which is great for LS motors and stuff. I got two. It's a 1/2-inch drive. The part number is M199. These is around $100 at your local Advance Auto. Now I did get a better deal on it than the $100, so thank you, Advance. Thank you guys. They always take care of me though. I do, deal with Advance Auto quite a bit. Here's some of the instructions on operation and stuff. Now these should be pre-calibrated. I do not have a calibration tester at the moment to check and see if these is actually on par with what they should be, but it's something if you guys want to see I can invest in and pick this one up. So let's go ahead and open this. These scissors is not the best way to open this, and we see what comes in the box. Well, the package. And if you've seen any of my unboxing videos before, they're pretty chaotic. I ain't the best unboxer. So we got this semi-open. I'm gonna try to pull it the rest of the way open. Got these tabs that's kind of melded together. I guess keep you from opening it in the store. Anyway, we got an instructional guide here. It's a torque what is that? Multiplier, number, inch, pounds, ounce. Yes, I don't know all this. It's got a conversion chart on it, just in case you want to do inch pounds. And you can do inch pounds into foot pounds too. I actually got a quarter and a 3/8 torque wrench that it's inch pounds, and I sometimes convert inches into foot pounds when I use it on small stuff. So let's take it out of the box. This is the torque wrench right here. It's kind of got a craftsman type of handle style to it. It locks and unlocks by twisting it, looks like. Right here, you can see. And it locks by just twisting that, I guess. Yeah, just like so. So that's pretty good. It is tight-toothed. So that is a good feature. Most torque wrenches does not have that feature. Very good. It is not a swivel head. The quality of it, what I would expect from a around $100 torque wrench, a little bit over $100. What I expect it to be. Oh shit, I about dropped it. Put it back in its box. Now, the box, the case. Oops. Damn it. I dropped this, but do we need that? No. The case is a hard shell back case. It's kind of a common generic case. It's what you would see on most of these torque wrench, and just got a sticker on it. Case is probably made by the same company. It's got a warning inside that says do not use it as a ratchet or a breaker bar precision tool, and that's true, guys. You should not use one of those for that. So it's unboxed. Gonna close it up now. I'll be putting this to the test. I'll give you a review on it here in a couple weeks. I got to install some wheel bearings, and I'll be using it. Break me in on those. They torque down to 175. The axle nut does. Hence why I had to pick this up. Hence why you got an unboxing video. So if you enjoyed this unboxing video, be sure to drop a like, hit that subscribe button, check my channel out for more content. I upload daily videos. And if you're into gaming and anything like that, I do have gaming videos too. And I do live stream. And I'm always live streaming on Twitch by 10 p.m. every night. TattsForLife. You can zip over there, say hello if you want to. If not, just subscribe to my YouTube channel. Keep in touch. Leave a comment. And I upload daily videos. See you next time. Thank you for watching.